Hi there, everyone. This is Ann Clemmer and Stamper from StamperDog.com. You know, we started this card with the Dashing Along Designer Series paper on a live stream that we do every Wednesday at 1 o'clock Pacific time on YouTube and Facebook. But now we're going to finish it off. And here we've got some red ribbon, and I'm going to tie a knot around my finger. Now, if you just remember short side over the top and then do the short side over the top, slow this down, rewrite, run it again, you'll be able to get that. But make sure that the inside of the knot looks good. And then once you've got it all twiddled and you're making sure that you have enough ribbon to go across your card front, then you're going to cut the ribbon. I like to cut them while they're on the bolt because it saves a lot of ribbon. And once you know you've got it right, now you're going to take a scissors and you're going to cut it on a diagonal, and there you have a knot style bow that will work easily even for the bow challenged. I'm going to trim it down a little bit, but usually I don't even have to do that. Now I'm going to make it easy on myself, and I'm going to get some mini glue dots and put it on either end of the ribbon, and then I'm going to wrap that around the white already die cut card front. And at this point, I think I'll put that bow in the middle, but originally I was going to put it off to the side. Look at all those Stampin' Dimensionals I used. This puppy's not going anywhere. So now I'm going to lay it down on our folded card base. And by the way, that's garden green that we're using. And then here is the snowflake. Now this is only good through today, and I wish I would have shared this earlier, but we just put 3 dimensionals in the middle, and we're not going to worry about the ends because all we're going to do is pat them down so they go down into where we've cut it out. And isn't this great? Now if you decide to get any of this, and you know it has to be today, I have a 15 project PDF that you can have. How's that? And that's not all, though. Let's get back to the card. So here we go with some liquid glue, and that is a 1 3/4 inch real red circle. Now, I know that the card base has cherry cobbler, but this looks okay, and that's the joy that I'm putting on it from the coordinating stamp set. So there you go. You know, if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. You know, subscribe. You just don't know how much fun we have Wednesdays at 1 o'clock Pacific time. This is Ann Clemmer and Stamper from StamperDog.com, where we try to put a little ink, paper, and fun into your day.